Guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this bouncy salon quality blowout at home. It is so easy. The tools that I'm using have changed my life. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys what products I've been using in my hair to keep it nice and healthy and shiny and bright. And now, what we're all here for, the tutorial, so let's get started. We're gonna get started with this blowout, but I wanted to share with you guys first what I'm using in the shower, the shampoo and conditioner, because I get a ton of questions on what I'm using differently and what products you can use on blonde hair. I have always had dark hair, and I recently did this blonde balayage that's happening. And these are the two products that I've been using lately. These two products are from OGX, and this is the Purifying Charcoal Detox Shampoo and Conditioner. I randomly tried it and it was the best my hair had ever looked and felt. It made my hair really soft. I started getting so many compliments and people were asking me if I had gone lighter, and no, I just used that charcoal detox shampoo and conditioner combo and it made a world of a difference. It made my hair really soft and bright and like really blonde. It's not something that's targeted for blondes, but it just worked. When my hair has dried a little bit more, I spray this all over. This is by Redken, and it's the One United all-in-one multi-benefit treatment. It has 25 benefits when you apply this to your hair, and this is really great if you have damaged hair or if you've applied bleach or done a lot to your hair like I have. This is really great, and it smells like perfume. I like to let my hair air dry as much as possible, so literally as soon as I got out the shower I started doing my makeup, and by the time I'm done, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty dry, but it's still a little bit damp, like on the inside and in the back. So we're gonna start blow drying this out now. We are going to be using the Revlon blow dry brush. I love this brush so much. I actually did a first impression on it here on my channel if you guys want to check that out, and I instantly fell in love with it. So I'm gonna section off my hair and then we're gonna start blow drying. So I just finished blow drying my hair, and this is what the hair looks like. Now I'm gonna show you guys my little secret trick and tool that I use in order to get like this bouncy salon quality hairstyle. So now that I'm done blow drying my hair, the next step would be to use a curling iron. And the one that I have been so obsessed with, it is amazing. This beauty right here, it is by Babyliss, and I will link it below for you guys. I just love it so much. It gives my hair this really shiny and bouncy look. It looks like I came straight out of the salon, and that is why I love this so much. I kind of just eyeball the sections. Like I'll probably work with sections this thick and just start curling it. And I always curl my hair away from the face. It's really up to you the way you want to curl it, but that's pretty much what I typically do. I leave it on for a few seconds and then I let it go. This is probably the easiest part. This curling iron is really easy to use. It does the curls pretty quickly. I'm gonna do a little time-lapse action because I'm going to be repeating the exact same steps over and over again. We are done. This is what the hair looks like after I have styled it. And you see the curling iron, oh, this is amazing. The curling iron just gives the hair, it like really smooths it out and gives it a little bit of a bounce, as if you had gone and gotten this bouncy blowout at a salon, which I love because it just saves me money. My hair still ends up looking really amazing when I do it from home. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.